Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Master Class with Tapas. So, today let me ask you a simple question. Would you follow someone you don't trust? Is it? Probably not. You may respect someone's intelligence, admire their achievements, or even appreciate their expertise, but if the trust is missing, people hesitate to follow. They caution decision, hold back ideas, and become disengaged. That's why trust is often called the currency of leadership. Today we are going to explore why trust is backbone of leadership, how great leaders build it, what destroyed it, and the practical ways you can strengthen trust within your teams and your organizations. So let's dive in and subscribe to my channel Master Class with Tapas. Trust is not about being liked. Trust is the confidence people have that a leader will act with integrity, honesty, consistency, and fairness. When people trust a leader, they communicate openly, they collaborate effectively, they accept challenges, they remain committed during difficult times. Trust creates psychological safety, the environment where people feel comfortable sharing ideas, admitting mistakes, and taking calculated risks. Think about the leaders who admire the most. Chances are they didn't earn your respect merely because of their position, they earn because their action matches their word. Leadership isn't built on authority, it is built on credibility, and the credibility begins with trust. Why trust is the backbone of leadership. Trust creates followership. Leadership is not about having followers because of hierarchy. True leadership exists when people choose to follow. Employees may compile because of the manager's position, but they commit because they trust their leader. When trust exists, people willingly to go the extra mile. When trust is absent, every decision is cautions. Trust accelerated performance. High trust organization move faster. Less time is spent on unnecessary approvals, monitoring, and internal politics. Team focusing on solving problem instead of protecting themselves. People share knowledge freely because they feel secure. Trust reduce friction and increase productivity also. Trust strengthen teams during the difficult time. Every organization faces challenges, market disruption, budget constraints, transformation, merger. During this period, people don't expect leader to have all the answers. They expect leader to come honest. When employees trust leadership, they stay engaged even when the circumstances become tough. Trust being the anchor during the uncertainty. If we can say there are four pillars of trustworthy leadership. Pillar one, integrity means doing the right thing even nobody is watching. Leaders with integrity honor commitment, admit mistake, follow ethical principles. People watch what leader don't more closely than what they say. Your action are always loudest the message. Then consistency trust grows through your predictable behavior. If the leader is supportive one day and unapproachable the other day, employees become uncertain. So consistency creates reliability. People trust leader whose values remain stable regardless of the circumstances. Then the pillar number three. The competence, good intention alone are not enough. Leaders must demonstrate the ability to make sound decision and guide their team effectively. People trust leaders who know what they are doing and continuously learn to improve. Then pillar 4, care. Perhaps the most overlooked element. Trust is the genuine care. People want to know. Do you have value me? Do you have respect my contribution? Do you care about my growth? When leaders show empathy and support, trust deepens significantly. People don't just follow leaders who are smart, they follow leaders who care. What destroys trust? Have you ever thought? Trust takes years to build but can be destroyed in moments. Here are some of the common trust killers. The breaking promises. If the leader repeatedly failed to deliver on the commitment creatively erodes quickly. Lack of transparency. People don't expect perfection, but they do expect honesty. Hiding information creates suspicion, favoritism. Nothing damages trust faster than unfair treatment. Trust thrive on fairness and consistency. Avoiding accountability. Leaders who blame others for failure undermine confidence. Great leaders shown mistakes and share the credit. People can forgive mistake, they really forgive dishonesty. Building trust does not require grand gesture. It happens through small daily actions. Here are the 5 practical habits that you always keep in mind. Keep your promises, communicate openly and honestly, listen more than you speak. Be transparent during difficult decisions. Show appreciation and recognize contribution. Every interaction either increase trust or decrease it. There is no neutral position. Trust is built one conversation at a time, one commitment at a time, one action at a time. So, if we conclude, remember this: technology changes, business model evolve, strategies come and go, but one timeless truth remains: trust is the foundation upon which all great leadership is built. Without trust, leadership becomes control. With trust, leadership becomes influence, and influence is what truly inspires people to achieve extraordinary result. So ask yourself today, what I'm doing to earn the trust of the people I lead. Because when trust grows, team grows. When team grows, the organization thrives. And when organization thrives, leaders have a lasting legacy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, share, subscribe, and subscribe to my channel Master Class with Tapas. Until next time, lead with integrity, lead with purpose, but above all, lead with trust. Thank you so much.